Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Hadu katno ka UDP kan job ek election arhajar arfulai jenjar tharai ba ka UDP kan yo watang shposi pinsno ba Bindo emlanong ha ka jingya kendu syakilat pathai khubor hasilong press club men ha ka arpotrik ukala lingkon. Uba Bindo de chief advisor ke UDP bat sembut menteri rangba barim ke jela ubala penmna kertong yala dia bu unyakhun election persya ayuba lambor malngyang MLA. Uba Bindo emlanong umi perthai banyakhun election na Nongkrem constituency kum ukertong shimet na marga Khein not jong ka UDP ya utai unong penwandur ya ka UDP bat unong seng. Na kaliang uba Bindo emlanong min kasi thok ding ula Khein antat baka parti UDP kan job wat tang shposit ha ka election MLA arhajar arfulai ha ka jilla. Kaban long ha ka arfnyo terik urimpang. Ula Khein ru ya ki jingkam jong ki nong yalam ke UDP bantam marshiteng ha ka jingdon ki MLA ha jilla kum ka urlong tang ha ka jingpos new. Uni unong yalam bat nong seng ke UDP ula rai ban mi iakhun ya ke election MLA arhajar arfulai kum ukertong shimet na ka UDP not hadien ba ka UDP kala rai ban ai tiket ya u MLA ba menta ka Nongkrem ba lambor malngyang. Na luar kane ulo ongru babun kinong yalam ha ka UDP kimpat long ki ba ibet nelam ban yalam ya ka jilla. Ki babun na ki kimpat ibet nela ban yalam ya ka jilla na markata ki businessman ki day ban pendet jengmut ha ka business benta uba Bindo.
In the first instance, I would like to recall that during the whole year 2022, this issue had been debated, taken up by the party, and from day one, right from the beginning of last year, we had sittings, small sittings, committees and all that. And in all the committees that we sat where I was present, there were committees that I was not present, they sat among themselves. But whenever I was informed, the result will be just nothing but the committee appointed has found out that the ticket should be allotted to Mr. Lambor Malngyang, sitting MLA of Nongkrem, because reports that they received, the UDP leaders, 3-4 leaders, the UDP, all the reports were in favor of Lambor Malngyang. So that was, the part that I would like to recall about how it started.